Okay, so using the eraser so that I could cut other parts of it since there's no other selections or any parts of the object. Put the stars back up. Okay, since I'm safe, got this one down. Put everything back visible. And there you go. Kind of looks real, right? But there's one last thing to do. Select this layer, and then you go to Liquify tool. I use push. Now sometimes what I do for objects, like geometry or anything like that, I sometimes use swirls, shrink, or enlarge, and sometimes restore just to get that effect back into its original object layer, just to return it back from making an effect. Okay, I usually like shrink it down to like 10 or 20 because if I do a big reflection, look at how this will be. That would be too much. Oh, wait a minute. The strength. I usually do it around here, but if I do a bigger size like this, guess how weird it will be. You don't want to do it like that. You want to shrink that down so that it looks like a water effect and the water is moving. And you could change the density of it too. I don't know if that affects of it more, but the strength, it does more effect. But I'm going to lower down the strength a little bit so that I could get the density and still have the strength of the water effect, the liquefy. Okay, so I'm going to do it left and right, back and forth. You can do it around here, around there, to make sure that the object underneath is actually doing a water reflect move. Now, if you want to do it some more and add more strength to it, okay, you can do that. But you got to be careful with the strength. And I usually lower it down to like 5 or 10 or even lower. I'm going to do it to 5. And I'm going to go a little closer on this one. Okay. And then I'm going to do it again, but for the front. For stronger, so that it looks like the water is moving in front instead of here in the back. So that it has more water reflection distance. You can change the size you want. You gotta be careful though. You want to do other water move reflects. Okay. And there you go.